Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are looking for the perfect little accent table that is super handy, you've got to check out this little table from Dowaven. This little drink side table is the perfect addition to our living room. It is so handy. Not only is this the perfect spot to put your drink, your snack, your phone, it also adds a little touch of interest with the beautiful glass and gold. It's absolutely stunning. I love that this came completely assembled. You do not have to put anything together. It is packaged so well that as soon as you pull it out of the box, you are ready to go. I like that the height on this is 28 inches, so it is the perfect height when you are just reaching for a glass to have a drink or to grab your snack. And I also like that it's not huge. So the diameter is only 10 inches. It is the perfect size to fit anywhere. It is not going to be obtrusive and get in the way. It's also really lightweight and easy to move around. And I love that this little piece here is almost like a handle. So you can just take this easily wherever you're going to be sitting, and it is the perfect little companion. The C shape to this makes it the perfect design to be able to tuck it right under your furniture and get it nice and close to you, so it's so convenient. It's also surprisingly sturdy for being so lightweight, so I don't have any worries that I'm gonna knock it over. So I have just absolutely been adoring this little table. We have found that it is so handy and are really happy to have it in our living room, and that's my point of view.